My name is Garen Phillips, and welcome to the Forge Trading Discord channel. This is a community that I built to basically improve my trading and improve anybody else's trading that wants to become a better trader. This server is a little different than any server you may have been in or any other community. It's built with ranks and tiers, and that's because I see one of the biggest issues with joining a trading community is you don't really know who's qualified to give you advice. You don't know if they've been a 20-year trader or they just started yesterday. So this ranking system is designed to help you as the new member know who is qualified to give you information, or what is the best information that you could be getting. Real quick, if you're new to Discord or if you're not familiar with it, the first thing you should do is just minimize all of the channels. And this will give you a bit better idea of how the server is built. So first off, you should start by reading the new join or new member start here intro material. All of the red exclamation points are important channels to read. They've got information that describe how the server works or any information that might help you navigate it. Read through the intro channel. Trader Ranks explains Trader Ranks, and also this video is uploaded on July 21st, so this information could be outdated, so that's why we have the new join material. So go ahead and read through it because some of the stuff may have changed by then. But Trader Ranks, this is a brief overview of the different ranks and what they mean. Channel basics, you'll see that channels have certain emojis next to them. The left emojis are basically telling you what the channel's about. So if we go down to education corner, you'll see a lot of these have little graduation caps, and that indicates that the channel is an educational resource channel that you can use to better your trading. The emojis on the right are, if there is an emoji on the right, it means that the channel is locked by rank. So this way, if you're going through the educational resource channels, the ones that are the highest ranked are resources posted only by the highest ranked members of the community, and usually these will be very dedicated mentors or educators, or they will be very skilled traders. The lower the rank you get, the more kind of fluff that you might be receiving as far as resources go. And then we also have private channels. So we have a badge system in the server that you can request badges down in the F&G basement down here at badge request. And each badge will give you access to some private channels that you might not see upon joining. We have crypto and a gamer channel. If you're a video game player, you can request the gamer badge, and that will give you access to private voice channels that you might not see. The reason we do the badge system is so that some people don't care about crypto or video games. Like ThinkScript is another one. Some people don't want to see those channels, so there's no point to have 100 channels in there if you don't want to see them. The next channel is badges, and this just gives a brief explanation of the current badges that are in the server, and then you'll see some by people's names. So Jason and Jigsaw are support teams, so they have a little police guy next to them. Jason also plays video games, so he's got a badge. And then we have server rules and code of contact, and that's about it. Now, the next thing that you'll notice is below that is rank info. This is all of the details for promotion and a more in-depth explanation to the ranks. You don't have to participate in the community and gain ranks. That's just optional if you want to be going through the community. If you just want to use it as a place to get resources and information, that's totally fine. The ranks are just optional, but you should learn them and you should understand how they work, because they will help you filter good information from potentially not so good information. But it's optional if you want to gain rank or not. And then next, after rank and admin and stuff like that, you will have the specialist traders. These are the highest and most dedicated traders of the community. They're the ones that mentor everybody and try to help out as many as they can. Currently, I don't consider myself a specialist because I'm not profitable quite yet on my trades, but I am trying to help as many people and learn as much as I can. So I have an entire section here of all of my resources and all the stuff that I use. I've got a post on risk management and my Thinkorswim setups. If you want to use some of my custom quotes or scanners, these will be in here. My best resources has my current version of my cheat sheet and my TradeSync information on how to set up TradeSync and track your trades. And then I've got brokers. These are just explanations of brokers that I've used. in my opinions on them, books that I've read that I would recommend to people on stock trading, or just general books on finance. Online courses are courses that I've currently own and have gone through or are looking to get into. ThinkScripts are videos that I cover on how to learn ThinkScript if you want to build your own scanners. I basically have a dedicated channel for that. And then Test Center is like prototype scanners and stuff that I'm building that don't quite work right, but I need people to help me line them out. And then hardware is just tools that I use. Like this is my eye tracker that you see in a lot of my videos, and this is the Elgato Stream Deck that I use for my hotkeys. And then I have a questions channel that you can ask questions on. And then our next one is Ryan. He is currently building his channels, so they aren't live yet. And then we have Mac. Mac's been kind of gone lately. He's a channel trader and a counter trend trader, and he's got some content in there. And then we have the Ranks specialist traders, which doesn't have a lot in there right now because there's not too many specialists. Members, there's not too many members. And then the educational corner. Now each category also has information channel, and you should read the information channels because they will have white or red exclamation points on top of at the top of the category, and it basically gives you a brief explanation of every channel. And then some channels have certain requirements, formatting requirements for posting in them. For example, F&G Basement, we have review picks and review trades. If you click on F&G Basement, it will have a explanation to the special formatting required for posting in these channels. Alright, so that's a quick introduction to the Discord server. I look forward to talking to you and learning from you and possibly helping you if you want to become a better trader. Until next time.